Alright, we're going from standard form, this is in standard form, to vertex form, which is y equals a times x minus h squared plus k. So we're going to there. Didn't get it all. Now, the two most important things that we have to find is h and k. Now, you have to remember this, and this is on your star reference chart. It says the axis of symmetry on the star chart, but we can say this: h is equal to the opposite of b over 2a. Alright. So b is equal to 12, and a is equal to negative 2. So, let's put it in. H equals the opposite of b, which is going to be negative 12, all over 2 times negative 12. So, oh, it's negative 2. My fault. It is negative 2. My fault. Alright. So you have negative 12 over negative 4. 2 times negative 2, negative 4. And negative 12 over negative 4 just reduces to 3. Alright. So we have h equals 3. Now, in order to find k, you substitute it in. So, k would be equal to negative 2 times 3 squared plus 12 times 3 minus 15. So, k would be equal to negative 2 times 9 plus 3 times 12 is 36 minus 15. So k is equal to negative 18 plus 36 minus 15. So k is equal to 18 is equal to 3. You could have done all that on your calculator. So k is equal to 3. So our vertex is 3, 3. Now, we substituted in the vertex form, so it would be y equals a is negative 2. Negative 2 times x minus 3 squared plus 3. There it is in vertex form. Okay, let's look at number 2. Let's look at number 2. Write number 2 down. Number 2. So, we have to find h, k in order to get it in the vertex form. So we find h first. H is equal to the opposite of b over 2a. Okay, b is equal to 4. So that's going to be negative 4 over 2 times 2. So that's just negative 4 over 4. So h is equal to negative 1. Now, in order to find k, we're going to substitute it in. So that's going to be 2 times negative 1 squared plus 4 times negative 1. You have to remember this. Anytime you square a number in your calculator that's negative, it must be in parentheses. So we're going to have k is equal to negative 1 squared is 1. So it's just going to be 2 plus negative 4. So k is equal to negative 2. So the vertex is at negative 1, negative 2. Now, so put it into your vertex form. Y equals A. A was equal to 2 up here, so we start with the 2. Times X. Now it's minus H, but H is negative 1. So it's going to be plus 1 squared minus 2. There it is in vertex form. All right, let's do another one. Okay. Remember, we're finding HK. We're finding HK. So, let's start with H. H is equal to the opposite of B over 2A. It also gives you your axis of symmetry. B is equal to negative 6. So it's the opposite of negative 6 all over 2A. A is equal to negative 3. So that's 2 times negative 3. Okay. The opposite of negative 6 is just 6. 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. So, 6 divided by negative 6 is just negative 1. So we have H. Now, we're going to substitute negative 1 back in there to find K. So K is equal to negative 3 times negative 1 squared minus 6 times negative 1 plus 1. Okay. So we will have K is equal to, it's going to be negative 3 plus 6 plus 1. So K will equal 4. So our vertex is at negative 1, 4. Now, let's put it in vertex form. So it'll be Y equals A is negative 3 times X. Alright, H is negative 1, so that's going to be plus 1 squared plus 4. And there it is in vertex form.